Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and discover a glow of string lights overhead, comfortable seating that invites you to linger, vibrant plants adding life and color to every corner. This isn't a fantasy reserved for those with unlimited budgets. It's absolutely within your reach. Today, we're exploring over 100 budget-friendly backyard patio ideas that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to create an outdoor space that feels bright, beautiful, and wonderfully expensive. Whether you're working with a tiny balcony or a spacious backyard, the secret to creating that high-end look lies in thoughtful design choices, not hefty price tags. Picture transforming thrifted furniture with a fresh coat of paint, creating cozy zones with outdoor rugs, or adding instant ambiance with strategic lighting. These simple touches make all the difference. You'll discover how pallet wood becomes stylish seating, how solar lights create magical evening atmospheres, and how vertical gardens maximize space while adding lush greenery. The beauty of budget patio design is in the details layering textures with outdoor cushions in complementary colors, mixing materials like wood, metal, and woven elements for visual interest, and choosing a cohesive color palette that ties everything together. Think crisp whites paired with vibrant turquoise, warm terracotta tones with sage green, or sophisticated navy with cheerful coral. These combinations create that designer look without the designer price. Consider how lighting transforms your space from ordinary to extraordinary. String lights draped overhead create an instant canopy of stars. Solar-powered lanterns add warmth without increasing your electric bill. Battery-operated candles provide safe, flickering ambiance for romantic evenings. And don't underestimate the power of plants-potted herbs. Flowering annuals and architectural succulents bring life, color, and that resort-like freshness to any patio. Now, imagine which of these ideas resonates most with your space. Would you gravitate toward a cozy bohemian corner with floor cushions and macrame hangings? Or perhaps a sleek, modern setup with clean lines and monochromatic tones? Maybe a cheerful coastal vibe with blues and whites speaks to you. The beauty is that you can mix and match elements to create something uniquely yours. Think about how you want to use your outdoor space. Do you dream of intimate morning coffee rituals as the sun rises? Perhaps lively evening gatherings with friends under the stars? Or maybe a peaceful retreat where you can read, meditate, or simply breathe in fresh air. Your patio should reflect your lifestyle and bring you joy every time you step outside. Remember, transformation doesn't happen all at once. Start with one corner, one piece of furniture, one DIY project. Watch how that small change inspires the next, and before you know it, you've created an outdoor haven that feels both personal and polished. The most expensive-looking patios aren't about how much you spend. They're about how thoughtfully you curate your space. If these ideas have sparked your imagination and you're excited to start your own budget patio transformation, we'd be so grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. Join our community of outdoor enthusiasts who believe beautiful spaces are possible for everyone, regardless of budget. Now, enjoy the inspiration as we take you through over 100 creative, achievable, and absolutely stunning budget backyard patio ideas that will leave you eager to grab your paintbrush and start creating.